this video. Here I am going to discuss the question which are asked in the UPSC in the previous year. I am taking the all conceptual question from the even from the before 2013. The pattern change was happened on 2013. But I have taken only those questions which are conceptually more relevant and more helpful to understand the physiographical portion and physiography of India. Okay. Without delay, let's go to discuss the question. Here the question is it correct to say that the length of India slopes from west to east? That is the question. And here I have divided the entire answer into the three part as per the answer writing is concerned. That is the introduction, body, and the conclusion. It is not a replica of the any good answer, but you can trace or understand the pattern and the writing, how to start writing question. Okay, so let's discuss the introduction. India's topography is characterized by a significant west to east slope, influences by its diverse geography and climate conditions. This gradient effect only not this gradient effect not only the physical landscape but also the country's hydrology, agriculture, and settlement patterns. Key points. The topographical features. The Western Ghats located along the western coast are generally higher than the Eastern Ghats, creating a natural slope from west to east across the country. River system. Major rivers such as the Gangas, Brahmaputra, and Godavari flow from the western or the northern highlands towards the eastern plain, emphasizing the west to east drainage pattern. Indo-Gangetic Plain. Formed by the this fertile region formed by the alluvial deposits from the rivers, stretched across the northern and the eastern India, benefiting from the west to east flow that enriches the soil. Monsoon influence. The southwest monsoon brings heavy rains to the western region first, with eastern area receiving rainfall later, creating a staggered climate pattern across the country. Climate variation. The slope leads to distinct climate zones, with the western region being more humid and the eastern part experiencing a different seasonal pattern, affecting agriculture. Geological background. The collision of the Indian tectonic plate with the Eurasian plate formed uplift region. The collision of the Indian tectonic plate with the Eurasian plate formed uplift regions, contributing to the west to east gradient in the landscape. Ecological zones. The varying elevation and the climate condition result in diverse ecosystem with different flora and fauna thriving in the western and the eastern regions. Human settlement. Population distribution is heavily influenced by this slope, with denser population concentrated in the fertile eastern plains, while the arid western region have fewer inhabitants. Agricultural practices. The fertility of the eastern plains, enhanced by the west to east river flow, supports extensive agriculture, impacting food production and local economies. Hydrological significance. The gradient affect water resource management and irrigation practices, making it vital for sustaining agriculture and livelihoods in different regions. Conclusion. The west to east slope of India is fundamental aspect of its geography, influencing various natural and the human system. Understanding this gradient is essential for grasping the complexities of India's environmental and the socio-economic dynamics. Thank you, friends, to watch this video.